Good afternoon. Good afternoon, Shadab. How are you
Good
today?
afternoon. Good afternoon. I'm good. I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good as well. Thank you very much. Just to give a little bit of a background, we are here today because finally we are very happy because you hit your first target. Basically, you received your payout on your $30,000 ability challenge. Well done.
Yes.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much. It's all because of you. Thank you.
That's good. Why don't we go together through your story? First, I'd like to discuss a little bit about your story as a trader, how long ago you started trading, and then we can go into the details of your journey with Audacity Capital.
Yes, sure.
Good. How long have you been trading for?
I was trading since 3 years, but it was not continuous. I was just breaking, losing, and again coming with the capital, losing, and again coming with the capital. Then I got to know about the Audacity Capital.
Before
So
you were managing your personal funds, or were you working with other companies, different prop firms?
I was with the my Forex fund, and you know
Okay,
that that got banned.
I see.
So then I was planning to shifting one of the trusted prop firm. So while researching so much, I got to know about the Audacity. It is running since 2012.
We are
Thought, yes,
we have been
yes,
in a
yes,
game for quite some time.
this is the best one. At one day, I purchased two accounts.
I remember that
Two,
day.
yes, 30 account, and one of the account has been finished, and one of the account I just got completed the both phase and made the profit. And I would like to thank you also because when I was planning to quitting the trading, you motivate me.
We are
This
here
is the
for this.
starting. Yes, you told me that this is the starting. So
Exactly.
after that, I just pick the rhythm and follow the gold.
That's
And
good. That's good.
yes,
This actually makes
and
me very, very happy. I'm glad.
yes,
I
yes,
remember we spent quite some time on the phone that day.
yes. Yeah, whenever I told you to please call, I need help, and you call me. You never say I'm busy or never say I have work. You every time
Sometimes
you
I
call me.
do. I have to be honest. Sometimes I do. Let's be honest. But I always call you back. That's
But
true.
I got the call. But I got the call. Apart, I just knew about all other platform. They only mail and that's it. They mail them and thank you. That's it. But
Yeah.
whenever I need the help, I just got help from you. I got help from the support team. Support team also play the vital role for me to just achieve my first profit share.
Of
And
course.
I'm very happy that when I got the first payout and I just ordered the iPad.
Oh,
And
that's good.
today I just opened this.
That's good. Congratulations. You can use that
Thank you.
for trade and to always monitor your position even
Yes,
when you're not home and you are on the go. That's
yes,
good. We
yes,
consider that as an investment, not a gift that you gave to
yes.
yourself. That's
It's
good.
only for the investment because I was doing trading with the mobiles and it was difficult to just
Of course.
track just difficult to make analysis.
Sure.
Yes. And with this, and I'm getting very clear, and you will be happy to just listen that I have bought after getting the first payout. I bought one more ability challenge, 30K.
That's good.
And with the help of iPad, today I made $500 on the demo, and I am very close to pass the first phase also.
That's good. That's very good news. Very, very good.
And
You're doing very well.
honestly,
Tell me something, Shadab. Let's go a little bit into the details of your story as a trader. So you say that you started 3 years ago. You were not very consistent. So it
yes,
took you some time to reach that consistency level, which is good. It's normal. It does take time.
yes,
When you start trading, is not something that you don't become a trader overnight. You need to
yes,
live and breathe the market. You need to be there. You
yes,
need to accept the profits, to accept the losses. Sometimes it's not that easy, but you need to go through this process. But one thing that I want to make very, very clear, you're not alone in this journey. We as a
Yes.
funding provider clearly are here to support you, but a lot of traders are facing now what you were facing 3 years ago. If you want to give like a piece of suggestion to those traders that are just now starting into this business, or what would you suggest them? What would you recommend them?
First things about the learning, keep the continuous learning and make the proper risk and management.
Yeah.
And overall, I want to say just focus on one pair. What I
Mm,
feel that because if anyone focus on only one pair, they are not reading the technical, they are not reading the fundamental, they are also analyzing the behavior of the that pair,
that's very good.
and that will help a lot. When you told me that start learning, it start focusing, I just focusing on the gold only,
Only
and
on
I will
gold.
continuous every time I was watching gold, how it's reacting, how it's behaving, how it's just forming the patterns, how it's breaking the support and resistance, how it's making the fake breakout.
Mm-hmm.
And then I was very familiar with that. Then when I opened the chart, so little bit I just found yes, next this may be happen.
That's good. That's actually
So
very interesting.
following on the only one pair, it will very helpful.
You are now focusing only on one pair, and tell us a little bit more about the strategy that you use. You use, I don't know, do you like trading with technical indicators? Is it more based on market structure, price action? How do you decide when and how to enter in a trade?
Basically, I'm focusing on the 30 minutes candle.
Mm-hmm.
So I why I told you about the behavior, what I just realizing about the gold behavior.
Mm-hmm.
If we can start from the US session, so US session make a very big movement, either down or either up. After finishing of the US session, when UK session come, the
Mm-hmm.
UK session fill the gap. There I continuously watch to break out the support and break
Mm.
out the resistance.
Okay.
Then I just analyze 30 minutes candle. When when from the support 30 minutes candle break the previous candle, there I
Okay.
execute the yes, there I execute the trade, and I believe to just get few pips from the gold, it will help a lot. Continuously few pips, 20 pips, 30 pips, it will help.
Of course, of
So
course. It
I
doesn't matter
also
how many, as long as it's
yes,
consistent. Because even
yes,
if you gain like 5 pips, 10 pips per day, well, at the end of the week, you're gaining
yes, yes,
quite a big.
yes. It's good
That's
to
good.
see the blue portfolio, even it is
Yeah.
small or it is big. And one thing I also focus on, and it is the highly confirmation trading setup, exhausted bearish and exhausted bullish on the 30 minute.
Mainly you
Yes,
focus on price action and market
yes,
structure, basically.
yes,
You have your entries already
yes,
in mind. Now you learned the behavior of gold, of this pair that you decided to specialize on, and I'm glad that things are finally going in the right direction for you.
yes,
What
yes,
about risk? Tell us a little bit about your risk management, how you learned to approach
yes,
in a more risk adverse way to the market.
yes. When I put just execute the trade, I just make the SL. Sometimes I did not put the SL because I know where I have to close. So sometimes I did not put the SL, but sometimes I put the SL where like I told you, whenever the 30 minutes candle break the previous candle lower or higher, there
Mm-hmm.
I put the SL opposite to the like if I am going for the sell, so I will just put the 20 pips, 30 pips.
Stop loss.
Sometimes I use layering, like if price going up in not
Mm-hmm.
in my favor. So sometimes I execute one more trade because it's a gold. It's not going smoothly. It's making little bit drama.
Oh yes, that's for sure.
Yeah.
That's for sure. That's for sure.
Then
But
I think it is trapping. There I execute one more trade. And when I see when it is coming to the my sell, then I'm making cut loss.
I got your
Yes,
point. I got your point.
yes, making the sell very small. So there I lose very small amount,
Of course, of
whether
course.
it come to the
So
profits or
you're
yes,
minimizing your
minimizing,
losses that way.
yes, minimizing the losses.
That's
And
very
I
good.
also am following all the platform of the Audacity. So there I
Mm-hmm.
also getting the knowledge like video from the Audacity about the risk management, about how to just make a proper risk management and trading setup. From there I'm also getting just gathering the information
Very
using
good.
yes.
And tell us something, Shadab. At the moment, are you full-time in trading? Are you a full-time trader, or you still work on a side? How many hours, let's say, do you invest on a daily basis to trade? You use the 30-minute candles. I'm assuming
Mm,
you are an intraday trader.
yes. So
Okay,
usually I'm working and my duty hours is almost 10 hours. That's why you told me that the iPad is for the investment. So that's why it is for the investment because on the site it is very difficult to just read everything on the mobiles, just
of course.
analyze everything on the mobile. And sometimes I caught using mobile by my seniors also. Right now I'm not a full-time trader. I'm
Mm-hmm.
working and
Okay.
mainly I'm focusing on the trading.
Mm-hmm.
And once I will achieve some target, like I will double the account, triple the account with the
Okay.
Audacity, sure I will think for the full-time trader.
Take your time. Don't
Uh,
rush
yes,
things.
sure,
If there
sure.
is
Now,
one thing that you cannot do in trading is rushing.
yes,
Time is the time limits, the pressure in terms of time doesn't work very well when it comes to
yes,
trading the financial market.
yes. Before I was doing like rushing, then you just told me about why not rushing to the goal. Then now I'm very calm, very relaxing, and making the slowly profit. Sometimes
That's good. That's very
loss,
good.
sometimes profit.
Tell us something. Uh, how it changed your perspective to trading over the past 3 years? If you think about, I don't know, if you think about yourself 3 years ago and you think about yourself now, clearly you covered a lot of steps.
So
You
I want, I want to say the years number I think doesn't matter.
Mhm,
The things only matter how much time me or anybody is spending on the chart. Because the more time if we will spend on the chart, the more we will understand about the pair, about the like technical analysis, the price action, our risk management, and the back testing is also very helpful. And
yes,
also aware about the news, geopolitical war. Just I heard yesterday there was an earthquake,
yeah.
gold moving very quickly, and
Why?
because of the because maybe market will be not stable after the earthquake. That's why it is moving. And before this, I also heard about the China has invested 1,000 ton in gold. So at that
Yeah,
time also price moving. And if there is a war, if there is a civil war or anything, so at that time also the
gold will
currency
always move
impact,
up,
yes, always move up.
always move
So
up.
there are
Gold
some people trapped
Well,
because
gold is a safe haven asset. Has always been like that since forever, basically. Mm,
and one
And
thing I would like to say, you asked about the journey. 2.5 years, I was not consistent. But now when I come to the Audacity, I'm continuously consistent
that's
and
good.
it is helping me a lot. Really, it is
That's
helping me a lot.
that's good. I'm very glad to hear that you found your way, and I'm very proud that we helped you in this process. I can promise that we will keep supporting your trading journey as far as we
Thank you
are
so much.
concerned. That's fine. Shadab, thank you very much. Once again, I
Oh,
want to thank you. I want to congratulate with you for
Thank
your
you so much. Thank you
recent
so much.
target. Very good, very well done. We're very proud of
Yes,
you. And well, we can organize a new interview soon as the account gets doubled, right?
sure, sure, sure. I will try
Thank you.
to just.
Take your time.
Oh,
Thank you for
sure.
sharing your story with us. I'm sure that it will be needed, and it will inspire a lot of traders that are just now at the stage where you were 3 years ago. I'm sure that listening about your story will give them hope, will give them strength to
Yes, yes,
move forward in this journey. Trading is an amazing job, but is a job and
yes,
needs to be treated and respected as such.
yes, sure, sure. And
Thank
one
you.
last thing I would like to say in the last, consistency and persistency will really help.
Oh yes, that's for sure. That's for
And
sure.
this I learned from you.
Thank you. I'm glad
Yes,
that I
yes,
managed to teach something that's valuable. Thank you very much,
yes.
Shadab. Thank you for your
Thank you so much.
time.